Cynful Cheese Steak sandwiches today. Start by cutting your onions, then your peppers. We're going to cut them into strips. And then the meat, this is done a whole lot easier when it's slightly frozen. So small strips on these. Spray a preheated pan with cooking spray and add your meat. Brown those just a little bit. Then we're going to add our peppers. Cook those a little bit. And once those are cooked, add our onions. Same thing, and then our mushrooms. Add the beef stock and cover quickly so it steams. Once it's cooked, we're going to put the meat and the vegetables on our Hoagie Rolls. Top with our Cynful Cheese Sauce. And you got it done. Cynful Cheese Steaks. Here's your recipe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a great evening.